In this video I am going to show you how to fix not showing playlist in TikTok. Firstly you have to go to your TikTok apps and can go to your account setting and see there is no playlist, so you have to go to your Play Store and search TikTok. If you have an update option then update it, or if you don't have any update option then just open it. And I don't have any application, so I open it and click on the 3 button and scroll down, click on the report and problem, and again scroll down, tap on account and profile, and then take on profile page and then take on other, take on the no and write a message what your problem, and your problem will be solved.